Very warm greetings. My name is Ahmed Nawaz, and today we will be finding out the multiples of different numbers. Uh, the method which I am going to uh, do today, that will actually help us in division. Whenever we are dividing any particular number by, let's say, 7 or by 4 or by any other number, then this particular method will help us a lot in finding out the quotient of that particular number which we are dividing. Okay, now let us see an example. Okay, multiples of multiples of 7, multiples of 7. Okay, now as we know very well that the first multiple of 7 is 7. Okay, 7 one time is equals to 7. If you will multiply 7 by 1, you will get 7. Okay, now the next multiple, as you know very well that the double of 7 is 14. Okay, and the double of 1 is 2. So 7 2 times is equals to 14. Fine. Now the double of 14 is what? The double of 14 is 28, and the double of 2 is 4. So 7 4 times is equals to 28. Fine. Now as we know now very well that the double of 28 is 56, and the double of 4 is 8. So it means 7 8 times is equals to 56. It means that if you will multiply, it means that if you will multiply 7 by 8, you will get 56. Okay. Now as we know very well that the double of 56 is 112. Okay, the double of 56 is 112, and the double of 8 is 16. Okay, it means that 7 16 times is equals to 112. If you will multiply 7 by 16, you will get 112. Fine. Now let us see some more multiples of 7. 7 fine. 7 16 times is equals to 112. What does it mean? It means that if you will multiply 7 by 16, you will get 112. Fine. Now as you know very well that the double of 112 is 224, and the double of 16 is 32. Fine. So 7 32 times is equals to 224. Fine. Now similarly, the double of 224 is 448, and the double of 32 is 64. Fine. So 764 times is equals to 448. If you will multiply 7 by 64, you will get 448. So this is how we will find out the multiples of different numbers. Fine. So this method will help you in finding out the quotient of any dividend. Okay. The this method will help us in a case of division. Fine. Now let us see the how we can find out the multiples of 4 by using this method. Fine. Multiples of 4. Multiples of 4. Fine. Now, as we know very well that the first multiple of 4 is 4. 4 multiplied by 1 is 4. 4 one time is 4. Okay. Now, what is the double of 4? That is 8. Okay. And what is the double of 1? That is 2. So, 4 2 times is equals to 8. Fine. Now, what is the double of 8? That is 16. And what is the double of 2? That is 4. So it means 4 times is equals to 16. What does it mean? It means that if we will multiply 4 by 4, we will get 16. Now what is the double of 16? That is 32. Fine. And what is the double of 4? That is 8. So it means 4 8 times is equals to 32. Fine. Now let us see some more multiples of 4. 32, 8. Okay, 4 8 times is 32. It means that if we will multiply 4 by 8, then we will get 32. Fine. Now what is the double of 32? That is 64. And what is the double of 8? That is 16. It means that 4 multiplied by 16 is equals to 64. What does it mean? It means that if you will multiply 4 by 16, you will get 64. Now similarly, the double of 64 is 128, and the double of 16 is 32. Now if you will multiply 4 by 32, you will get 128. Fine. And now what is the double of 128? That is 256. And what is the double of 32? That is 64. So it means that 4 multiplied by 64 is equals to 256. Fine. So what does it mean? It means that if you will multiply 4 by 64, you will get 256. 4 64 times is equals to 256. Okay. Now let us see some a few more multiples of 4. Fine. If you will multiply 4 by 64, you will get 256. Fine. Now what is the double of 256? That is 512. And what is the double of 64? That is 128. Fine. So it means that 4 128 times is 512. Okay. For if you will multiply 4 by 128, you will get 512. Okay. So this is how we will find out the multiples of different numbers using this particular method. Okay, this method can help us in finding out the quotient of any particular number. Okay. If you want to ask anything, or if you want to know about any topic related to mathematics, especially of grade 5, grade 6 and grade 7, then you can ask me in the comment box. You can if you have any suggestions, or if you have any questions, you can give your comments in the comment box, and I hope you will like this video, and if you have liked this video, then yeah, I will be grateful to you if you will subscribe my channel, and if you want to see uh, some more videos like this, then you can share your opinions in the comment box. Okay, thank you very much for watching the video. Thank you.